Hello, thank you for looking at our video. What you see here today is a 1994 Telco sleeping, snoring, whistling Santa. He is lying in his bed. He has his glasses on, his nightcap. There is a December calendar as the days are being crossed off. And there are boots by his bed. He is powered by electric. And there's the on-off switch. When you turn him on, his chest rises and he snores. There's also a little volume control down here. You can make him louder or less. He does come with his original box, which is right down here. Great for storage. Santa has no stains, rips, tears. He's in great shape and ready for another holiday season. Well, thank you very much for looking at our video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we wish you a Merry Christmas.